All right, folks, we are here. So let's go ahead and knock out as much as we can. I mean, I can get up under the church. I don't need them to be here to open that up yet. But I want to get there and knock out as much as I can, which is really just pull some slack in the cable, probably pull a ton of it so I can loop it back so I can have enough space for everything. So now technically I really don't have to do that. I could just, you know, make splice the cable or do a coupler in between, but I'd rather not. I'd rather just be one continuous run. You know, I think that makes it a lot easier. No breaks. The only breaks are on the end of the cable. But anyway, let's prepare to go up under here again, hopefully for the last time. All right, so we got more than enough cable up here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but we got the 4 lines run, and I don't have my flashlight. I think I left my flashlight in the church, but hopefully you can see it. All those cables run up through the hole right there in the pulpit, and we have the runs all the way back here. So I push more than enough on here. I don't even really need to loop this back, so we should be good. I think it was kind of too late for me to do it, but I came around this side. I should have came on this side. Technically I could pop that out and then move it over and then screw it back in, but I just don't want to be back under here anymore. So let me turn this light off that I've left on and then make the crawl back, and then we can do everything else inside. Cable here on the bottom and on the top, because all of this is going to get pushed up against the wall, go all the way up there. Gonna cut a hole, fish the cables through there, and then put a jack over here with all the 4 Cat 6 keystones, and then I'll put another SDI keystone there with another space for a future one when we run the other cable for the camera. All right, so let me move my ladder over here, and then I can secure that there with the Velcro to go to the back of the TV. Hey folks, so I didn't get a chance to record and show what was done because I'm running short on time. It's 10:30 right now and I need to get back. I'm not going to have enough time to get rid of this ladder and unpack everything. I need to get back for the live stream and set everything up. But we pulled enough slack, re-terminated cables on both sides. I didn't get a chance to check that, make sure the internet is working. I mean, I did look at the network switch and it is sending power to the access point and the ATEM. But honestly, I didn't get a chance to look at it. I'm gonna pull up the app. Thankfully, it's still remoted, so I can remote into the UDM Pro there and verify that everything is working. The cable going to the front TV was flickering a little bit. I don't know what's going on with that, but the good thing is these 2 100-foot cables, if need be, I could just run one and still daisy chain them off of, probably gonna do it backwards. I'm gonna daisy chain it off of Pastor's office computer and then to the kids' room, because I'm assuming, especially with stuff going on now, he's gonna be at the church more often than the kids. But either way, we got that. I do have another cable that I can use if need be to get there for the kids stuff, and then I'm gonna run the conduit up the wall and across the baseboard and around the door frame, and then hopefully we should be completely done. Get some insulation, push those in. Actually, the caps that go over the grommets, they're in place. For whatever reason, the one that's in the pulpit doesn't fit, even though I used the same drill bit. So I don't know. Maybe it must be the carpet or something like that. But I cut a little bit in the side so that I can fit the cables through. Since I didn't run them through there, put them there, just expand it a little bit, and then put a cap on that, and it should be fine, so no draft or anything like would come up. But even if I did, if that was an issue, just put some insulation inside of there. That should stop anything from coming up, so that won't be a problem. Yeah, I think that is it. And phase 3 will be security cameras, which I don't think is going to be, no, excuse me, phase 3 is going to be the cameras inside the sanctuary. So I will need to run cables again. Just one, this one, another SDI cable from the front PTZ camera. I kind of know the path now, so that's good. Gonna run it back across the wall and then come down up under the floor. That should work very well. Actually, to be quite honest, I'm probably gonna run it all the way back to the office, drop it right back down to the floor, come all the way back up and then around, and that will work. That's a long roundabout way, but hey, at least I know it'll work. And I think that's really it. So because of the holidays next week, I won't be there next week because I'm at Spring Creek on Monday, Zion Chester on Tuesday, at Greater Works on Wednesday, then it's the holidays. Then on that Monday, that's when I'm going to be back in Lebanon to just wrap up everything. I'm going to stay there until everything is done. And it's mainly just going to be conduit and stuff like that. And figuring out what's going on with these, why there's no signal going to that splitter, something like that. Worst case scenario, I would have to order one more cable, maybe a 50-foot. I might honestly just go ahead and order it now, just to have it, just in case. I think I will do that. Actually, no. No, I need to order another 100-foot just in case, because I have 2 100 feet that I ordered. I believe I ordered 2. I thought I did. If I don't, I need to have 3 100-foot, pretty much. 2 going from the TV all the way back to the pastor's office and the kids' room. Then another one that may need to be replaced for the TV in the sanctuary that's in the front. And it's not a loss, because if it doesn't, if I don't need it, that will just be the cable that goes for the PTZ that goes in the front. So yay, we solved a bunch of other issues, and that's about it. So I never ate my breakfast, but we're gonna, and I need to shave, and I knew I was gonna get dirty, so I need to shower up, but I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time to do all of that before the live stream that I normally always do early. I might have to do it at 11:30, but we will see y'all on the live stream if you're there. And honestly, there's nothing else really going on today. All right, so we just finished our live stream, and I hope to get some sleep or something. I can't. I gotta take my ladder and take that back to my church because there's no space for my daughter to get in the car. But anyway, get ready to order some parts for the computer that one of the we were just talking about. So we're gonna be ordering those parts here real quick. Then I'm gonna take a nap. Yeah, a nap. All right, folks, so I knew I wasn't gonna be able to go to sleep, but I will be able to spend a little bit of time because I don't have to pick my daughter up from school today. She's gonna come back to me later this evening. So what I'm gonna do is pack up the other Bose headsets that needs to go back to Bose. Thank you again so much for that. I need to buy a box for all of this to go back. Then I'm gonna ship out the Ada imaging camera to our 30,000 subscriber winner. Ship that out. And then I'm gonna drop off my ladder at another place since it can't fit in the car when my daughter's with me. Buy her some socks because she needs some. And I don't know, if I can find a PlayStation 5, maybe I'll buy that if I can find one. But mainly just wanna sit down and relax and thankfully be able to go to sleep for a little bit. Yay. All right, so I just got back and completely forgot about going to my P.O. box, but I'm done. I'm so done right now, so I'm gonna shut this vlog down. I'm probably gonna combine this with yesterday since I didn't get a chance, since I had to go to Lebanon first thing in the morning. But anyway, we will catch y'all tomorrow, folks. Later.